Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Cat Gift Basket is probably one of the most delightful ways to spoil your feline friend, offering a curated collection of toys, treats, and accessories designed to bring endless purrs and playful moments, ensuring your beloved companion feels truly cherished and entertained with a thoughtful selection tailored just for them. Number 5. Cat Crack Zoomie-Inducing Catnip Blend. Prepare for an entertaining spectacle. A single use of this blend can give your feline friend an exciting buzz, fueling an acrobatic frenzy of fun. Rest assured, this product is non-addictive, non-GMO, and completely natural. It's produced cleanly and reliably in North America, adhering to fair labor standards. Experience superior quality with over 78% nepentolactone content. This makes it the most potent and effective catnip blend commercially available for your pet. It arrives fresh, stored in climate-controlled conditions and sealed securely. Your cat will surely appreciate its potent aroma and effects. Beyond playtime, it's also great for training, much like regular treats. You can introduce new accessories by sprinkling some on them, or use it to supplement existing catnip toys and sprays. What we like. This catnip is known for its potent, Zoomie-inducing effects, promising an entertaining show. If you're looking to introduce new toys or accessories, a sprinkle of this can make them irresistible. It's perfect for owners who want to see their feline friends in an acrobatic frenzy. What people say. Number 4. Potaroma Catnip Kicker Pillows 3-pack. Introduce these delightful cat toys. They are crafted from soft plush and baby-level cotton, making them incredibly comfortable for your feline friend to snuggle and chew. Each toy is generously filled with 100% pure, potent, and organic catnip. This natural herb is a favorite among most cats, ensuring maximum excitement and irresistible interactive playtime. Designed to relieve boredom, these kicker toys help your cat practice chasing and chewing. They stimulate natural hunting instincts, promoting healthier growth and strengthening your bond. Inside, crinkly paper adds an exciting sound that captivates your cat during play. Available in 3 bright colors, green, yellow, and violet, they are visually appealing and perfect for holding or scratching. These durable and interactive toys make an ideal gift for any kitten or adult cat. They encourage exercise and provide endless entertainment, ensuring your pet stays happy and engaged. Made with high-quality, soft materials, these pillows are built to withstand enthusiastic play. They provide a safe and cozy companion for your cat's daily adventures. What we like. These adorable pillows are made from soft, baby-level cotton, perfect for snuggling and chewing. Stuffed with 100% pure organic catnip and featuring a crinkle sound, they provide irresistible interactive playtime. If your cat loves to bat and pounce, these toys will stimulate their hunting instincts and relieve boredom. What people say. Number 3. Nutty Toy Squishy Cat Set. Discover the Nutty Toy Squishy Cat Set. These adorable kitties are crafted from the highest quality silicone, designed to endure endless squeezing and stretching. They're built to last, providing reliable comfort whenever you need it. These 2 charming kittens offer endless fun for everyone. They help kids and adults stay focused and relaxed, melting away boredom and anxiety. Give yourself a moment of peace while they keep busy. Experience the ultimate stress relief with these soft, squishy friends. Pinching their bellies can help you calm down and regain focus, even in the most demanding situations. They are perfect for managing everyday pressures. Looking for a unique present? These squishy cats make amazing stocking stuffers, birthday surprises, or party favors. Share the joy and spread happiness to your loved ones with these delightful charms. Take your tiny companions everywhere you go. They are perfect for the office, school, or even a quick trip to the store. Their portability ensures you always have a source of calm within reach. These squishy toys are especially beneficial for individuals with ADD, ADHD, and autism. Their tactile nature provides a soothing sensory experience. They help improve concentration and reduce fidgeting effectively. What we like. These squishy kitties offer a unique way to relieve stress and anxiety for both kids and adults. Made from high-quality silicone, they are designed to withstand squeezing and fidgeting. If you're looking for a fun, portable sensory toy or a quirky gift, these cute companions are perfect for calming nerves and promoting focus. What people say. Number 2. The Cat Lady's Organic Cat Grass Growing Kit. Give your beloved feline the nutrition they crave. This special blend adds vital nutrients like wheat, oat, barley, and rye to their diet. It's packed with fiber for healthy digestion. This organic treat is loaded with all the fiber your pet needs for healthy digestion. It also provides excellent hairball control, keeping them comfortable and happy. No green thumb required. Just add a soil disc, a splash of water, and a sprinkling of seeds. Watch it sprout up to 4 inches in just 4 to 7 days. Not only is it organic and GMO-free, but it also deters them from eating toxic household plants. This helps protect your favorite blooms and keeps your home looking great. This makes a wonderful gift for any cat parent. It keeps their feline friends healthy and happy, while also contributing to a greener and cleaner home environment. Each kit includes 3 organic soil discs, 3 packages of locally sourced cat grass seed blend, and 3 BPA-free containers. Simple instructions are also provided to guide you. What we like. This kit provides essential nutrients and fiber, promoting healthy digestion and hairball control for your feline friend. It's incredibly easy to grow, sprouting in just 4 to 7 days with minimal effort. If you want to deter your cat from nibbling on household plants and provide a fresh, organic treat, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 1. Potaroma Interactive Cat Toy Mat. Cats naturally love to play with items hidden under blankets. This interactive toy is designed to perfectly mimic that exciting experience. It features a ball placed inside a cloth bag, moving irregularly to captivate your cat's interest and provide endless entertainment. This automatic cat toy features random movements that will keep your kitty curious and active. It's ideal for indoor cats, preventing boredom and providing essential exercise and enrichment. It's perfect for both kittens and adult cats. Offering a fun hide-and-seek game, this toy encourages your cat to swat and pounce. This promotes both physical activity and mental stimulation. It's the best choice for energetic cats needing a daily workout. With 3 speed modes, fast, slow, and interactive, this electric ball toy adapts to your cat's unique play style. Activated by touch, it keeps your pet entertained and stimulated for hours on end. This interactive toy features engaging chirping sounds and exciting bouncing actions. It provides multisensory stimulation that keeps your kitty engaged and playful. It's the ultimate sensory enrichment tool for your furry friend. Easily rechargeable via USB, this cat toy eliminates the need for disposable batteries. This makes it eco-friendly and convenient, ensuring uninterrupted playtime for your beloved pet. Crafted with high-quality materials, this toy is completely safe for your cat to play with. The ball and cloth bag are designed to withstand rough play, ensuring lasting fun and exercise for them. What we like. This innovative toy mimics a hidden prey experience with its irregularly moving ball under a mat. Featuring multiple speed modes and chirping sounds, it provides engaging physical and mental stimulation. If your cat needs a daily workout, loves hide-and-seek, or gets bored easily, this interactive mat will keep them entertained for hours. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.